Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be doing another tutorial on the Violet VOSS Crème Brûlée palette, and if that has any interest to you, please keep on watching. So let's go ahead and start with this tutorial. So this palette has very pretty shades. So today we will be using this light color along with this kind of light gold and a kind of a medium gold, and along with this dark cocoa color for the crease. So let's go ahead and get on started. So first we're gonna go into this kind of cocoa shade right here. So dip your brush in, make sure to tap off the excess, and now we're just gonna put that right in our crease. So we're just gonna keep blending it, and a little goes a long way with this palette. So take it, dip it in, tap it off in the other crease. So there, we have our creases done. So you can see there, it's just lightly defined. So then we can go back, if you still want to add more, you can go back and use a little bit more in the crease. So now that we have our crease done, the next color we'll be going into is this light gold shade right here. So we can just put your finger, and we're gonna apply this to the inner corner of the lid. So right on the inner half of the corner. So we're gonna dip back into that shade and do it on the other side. So when you use your finger, you get more of the deeper pigment, so it'll show better up on the eyelids. So next we're gonna take our other finger and dip back into this more darker gold shade. So we'll swirl it around. And then we're gonna apply that to the outer corner, outer half of the corner. So dip back in there. And then we're gonna do the same to the other side. And when you do it, try to like overlap a little bit so we can blend them easier later. So next we're gonna go back into this darker crease shade that we used in the crease. You're just gonna take a little bit and tap off the excess. And now we're just gonna make sure we're gonna blend all the colors together so there's no harsh lines. Tap off and just go back and forth, just making sure everything is blended well. So now you can see it is all well blended, and this eyeshadow look I really love because you take kind of this sparkly lighter shade to the darker and then blend it out so it's a nice gradient effect. So for the last step, we're going to take this lighter color and put that on just like a pencil brush or anything. You're gonna tap it off, and I'm gonna use that on my inner corners. And also you don't wanna forget to highlight your upper brow bone. Take that and highlight. Cool. Hi guys, I'm back. So I just finished my look. I just put on a little bit of eyeliner and mascara to complete this look. So I think this look is perfect for the summer. It's that nice golden bronze look. The light will just hit it and look so beautiful. So that will conclude my tutorial of the Violet VOSS Crème Brûlée palette. And I got this in my Ipsy glam bag as an add-on a past couple months ago. So if you guys liked this video, please thumbs up, like and subscribe, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.